16, all summer 16, playing dirty, not clean. Out from 4 seasons, looking like a damn football team. But my verses are just like the whips at the end, they bulletproof. All my boys in the new Toronto wanna be me a little. All my exes know I like my O's with a V in the middle.
Hey guys! What's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no bib.
So for today's video, my phone is acting retarded. I'm trying to upload like the cost of what I'm about to show you guys and my receipts so I can be able to give you guys accurate prices for them. If I'm looking that way, it's because I'm looking outside and I thought that was big T, but it's not. What was I saying? This shit is still not working. So I'm not sure what the fuck is going on, but I'll get the prices afterwards and I'll put them on the screen so you guys will see the prices to everything I bought, because Aliexpress is acting like a dipshit. All the prices are going to be on the screen, like somewhere over here or somewhere over here or somewhere around here. So every time I pull out something, it's going to say ding and it's going to say the price. Alright, let's go. Let's get into it. I haven't opened none of them yet. I've been waiting on you guys. I'm not even sure if I have the right amount of items, because I think this is 9 items. And I remember buying like 10 items. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 9 items. So I'm not sure if I got everything or if I don't got everything. I would know if this fucking Aliexpress thing would work. From the title, you know, it's an Aliexpress makeup haul. I had got like this little anklet. It's so cute. And it has like, I think, clovers on it. So it's like good luck or whatever. And look, let me show you guys. This is supposed to be an anklet. Don't it look like a necklace to you guys? Oh, it's a 2-thing anklet. I'm so stupid. It's a double anklet. Okay, I get it now. Okay, so it's like this, and you put it. I'm gonna put it on my left one. I'm gonna put it on my left. Which one's cuter? Left or right? Right? I like right. I think right is cuter. So let's go on to the next item. Okay. The first thing I got. This is Pop Fill Perfect Liquid Foundation. Why is it so tiny? See the tip, guys? Yeah, it's a little that kind of foundation, which is fine. I don't have a problem. I just hope the color goes with my skin, because as you guys can see, that don't look like it's gonna blend too well. But we'll see what happens. And just so you guys know, I'm not gonna be doing my face in this video. I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I purchased, and then in the description box below, you guys are gonna see the video of me doing a full face with Aliexpress makeup. This is the Volume Glamour Mascara. This is Volume Glamour. This is, I'm pretty sure it's mascara. It said that it would be like really volumizing and like, you know. Next, so this is a Max Donuts Eyebrow Powder, and it has 3 colors. I don't remember buying eyebrow powder. That's probably why Aliexpress is not letting me see what I bought, because they're sending me a whole bunch of shit that I don't remember buying. So it comes with this little eyebrow thing, which is rough as hell, so I doubt I'm gonna be using it. But here go the eyebrow shadow. Sorry, I put in my viewfinder instead of my lens. There go the colors. I'm looking forward to using this, because like I've always tried to want it, and it has like a little mirror. I've always wanted to try like a little powder or liquid to do my eyebrows instead of the pencil. But okay, let's see this. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is lip gloss. This one is in the color Posy K, and it's by, well, yeah, it's in the color Posy K, and it's by North. It would be funny if it said Northwest, you know, Kim Kardashian's daughter. But no, we definitely know that's not what this is. It's by North Show, and again, the prices are gonna be on the screen. But yeah, North Show Posy K. It says soft matte lip cream. Creme a Loveuse Douce et Matte. I think that's in French. I read French, so that was a weird French to me. And as I always say, it's hard for me to find a lip color that goes on my lip, because my bottom lip is brown. My top lip is brown. My bottom lip is like a pinkish. This is like almost the color of my bottom lip. And I don't want to knock out one of my brackets. Alright, so I got this one open. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It don't come with any lash glue, but thank God I brought other stuff that have lash glue. Look at this, guys. These lashes are so pretty. They're black lashes. I know it was a specific number that I got, so I'll put it on the screen, the number that I got and the amount that the lashes cost me. That's this bag. Next bag. We're gonna do this pretty fast, guys, because I know y'all got things to do. I guess it was a lot, with eyebrow pencil and brush. So this one, this side is the pencil, and it's a brown pencil. This is pretty, guys. Look at the packaging. This is so nice. But this side is the brown pencil, and then that's brown, right? Yeah, I got it in color brown. GRBR, I guess that's gray brown. I don't know what that means. And the other side is supposed to be like a look at this, y'all. What is this? Like, what is that? What am I supposed to do with that? Brush my teeth? Oh, it's a toothbrush for Kai. Okay, I got y'all, Aliexpress. I got y'all. Oh, who the fuck gonna put this on there? Wow, this says MAC. They're both eyeliner pencils. Wow, so I got 2 MAC eyeliner pencil, guys, from Aliexpress. I got everything together with the brown pencil. That's crazy. Okay, Aliexpress, I see y'all doing MAC. That's so freaking flat. I think it's probably like the eyebrow shaper thing that I got, like to basically color in the eyebrow and give me the shape that I want instead of trying to struggle to create my own shape. You see it? It's like different eyebrow shape. They're too long for my liking though. I don't like my eyebrows too long, but the shapes are pretty, so I can just shorten it to what I want. But I like this shape. Look at this shape, guys. This shape is pretty cute. I don't think anybody's eyebrows is ever shaped like straight, so it doesn't really look natural when people do that. But I guess they want to look like, you know, the garbage man off of Sesame Street. And then the last packaging, I already know what this is. Once it came in, I knew what it was. I knew what it is. I know it was that right there. I already knew what was up. These are my damn, like, why you gotta mess up my intro? It's taking so long to open. Dang. These are like way littler. I don't think that's a word, but it's like way smaller than what I expected. But it's a lot of brushes in here. I think I had got like the 15, the one with 15. I'll put everything on the screen. Zaddy's calling.
What happened?
You done? Sorry for the interruption. Zaddy just keeps coming back. But anyways, so like I was saying, what's that nose picker? I don't know if y'all know what this is. If anybody happens to know what kind of brush this is or what it's for or how to use it, let me know, because apparently in China this is the kind of brushes they use. I don't know what the fuck they got going on over there, but no. I heard these brushes are not gonna last for long, but I plan on buying like more expensive brushes later. But yeah, so that's all I got from Aliexpress. That's everything, guys. I'm gonna be doing a full face makeup using all these products, including the brushes, and the link to that will be down in the description box below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell another friend so that friend can come back and watch me. I think that's it. So until next time, peeps. Oh, my back itch. Deuces.